Hello guys, welcome to Quiz and Quotes. We are continuing the discussion of accounting short question and answers, and here we are now part 6 of it. We'll discuss again around 20-25 questions in this series, like every series, and these are very much important for your examinations and your career ahead. So without wasting time, let's proceed for the next questions. Thank you for being with us. Let's learn. Let's go ahead with the next question. The question is, what is the nature of suspense account? What is the nature of suspense account? The nature of suspense account is fluctuating. The suspense account is created for the short time, for finding out the error due to which the trial balance is not matching. Right, guys? So, the nature of suspense account is fluctuating in nature. Next question. The entries passed in the journal proper for rectifying entries are called. The entries passed in the journal proper for rectifying entries are called. It's called rectifying entries. Next question. The total of purchase book was written rupees 200 instead of 2000. This is an example of what type of error? I repeat, the total of purchase book was written rupees 200 instead of rupees 2000. What is a type of error it is? Technically, it is called error of casting. When two errors nullify each other's effect, then such error is called dash. When two errors nullify each other's effect, then such errors are called dash. The answer is compensating error. Compensating errors nullifies each other's effect. Next, when was rectifying entries passed? When are the rectifying entries passed? The answer is the beginning of the year. Indirect expenses are entered in dash account. Indirect expenses are entered in dash account. Indirect expenses are entered in the profit and loss account. Because in trading account, we enter the direct expenses, and in the profit loss account, we enter indirect expenses. Next question. Gross profit or loss is transferred to dash account. I repeat, gross profit and loss is transferred to dash account, and the answer is profit and loss account. The gross profit is transferred to profit and loss account, and thereafter we debit the indirect expenses to come to the net profit. Right, guys? Next question. Dash accounts are prepared at the end of the year. Dash accounts are prepared at the end of the year. The answer is final accounts are prepared at the end of the year. You can prepare final accounts even monthly, quarterly, half yearly as per the requirement of the organization. So let's go to the next question. Balance sheet is dash. What is that? Balance sheet is a statement of any particular date showing the asset and liabilities of any organization, company, or partnership firm, anything it may be. Let's move to the next question. Increase in capital at the end of the year represent dash. Increase in capital at the end of the year represent dash. And the answer is profit. Increase in capital at the end of the year represents profit. That means whatever surplus over the expenses due to which there is a final addition in the capital is called profit. Next question, true or false? Capital is a fixed liability. It is true or false? Guys, tell me quickly. It's very simple. It's true. Next question, closing stock is not shown in the balance sheet. True or false? Closing stock is not shown in the balance sheet. True or false? Yes, it is a part of the balance sheet. So it is the false answer. Next question, balance sheet is prepared on the basis of trial balance. True or false? Balance sheet is prepared on the basis of trial balance. True or false? It's true. Balance sheet is prepared, even profit and loss account is prepared based on the trial balance. Next question. Bad debt reserve is a loss. Bad debt reserve is a loss. Profit and loss. True or false? It is false. Next question. Quickly. Interest on drawing is loss of owner. Interest on drawing is loss of owner. True or false? Yes, it's true. Because the owner has to pay the interest on the drawing. So it is loss to the owner. Next question, very quickly. When cost of goods sold is deducted from the net sales, what we get? When the cost of goods sold is deducted from the net sales, what we get? It's gross profit. In trading account, we minus, we subtract, we deduct cost of goods sold from the sales and we reach to the gross profit, right? Simple. Next, the expenses written in profit and loss accounts are known as, the expenses written in profit and loss accounts are known as dash. The expenses written in profit and loss accounts are known as the indirect expenses. Next question. The statement of asset liability is called what? Very simple. The statement of assets and liabilities are called balance sheet. Balance sheet is a statement of asset and liabilities on a particular date. Simple. Give an example of current liability. You can give anything. For example, bank overdraft is an example of current liability. In which side of the balance sheet the goods in transit are shown? Question. In which side of the balance sheet the goods in transit are shown? The asset side. Because you have purchased the goods, it is in the transit only. Sooner or later, it is coming to your location and it's part of your asset. So again, we finish the series of 2025 questions. Hope you are learning, enjoying the things. At the same time, it's the time for your gift, your opportunity. Go to the description box, you will find an amazing link. Explore the link and there you'll find your gift, which will give you a financial freedom with one of the respective tasks you can do. It's really great, it's really amazing. Explore it, learn it and do it. For any question, for any suggestion, you can connect to me on my email ID, on my WhatsApp number given in the description box. So guys, thank you so much. Share these MCQs to all the deserving students, your friends and family, and help them to grow and qualify in their examinations. Thank you so much. Take care. Many thanks. Wish you all the best. Thanks once again.